Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about EVS worksheet for UKG kids. I have created in very fun and shortened manner so that they can revise all the important topic of environmental science. So let's get started. Are you ready, Advit?
Yes.
So this is the first sheet. Okay, what you have to do, these worksheets are related to sense organ. You have to take the correct options. Okay, so start doing it. We have 2 or 3 legs.
We have 2 legs.
Good. We write with our eyes or hands.
Hands.
We walk with our nose or legs.
Legs.
We smell our ear or
nose.
Good. There are the fill in the blanks. Okay, our dash helps us to smell.
Our nose helps us to smell.
Good. Our dash helps us to taste.
Our tongue helps us to taste.
Good. Our skin helps us to
feel.
Very good. Our dash helps us to hear.
Our ears.
Our eyes help us to
see.
Good job. Next worksheet for seasons. Okay. So you have to complete the sentences. I wear dash in winter.
Jackets.
Yes.
J.
Yeah.
A. C. K.
Yeah.
E. P. S.
Very good. I wear dash in summer.
I wear shorts in summer.
Good job.
H. O. R. T. S.
I wear boots in dash.
Rainy.
Yeah, because
R.
it's wet outside.
A. I. N. Y.
I wear sunglasses in which season?
Summer again.
Very good.
S. U. N. E. R.
Good. Now you have to take the correct word. Okay. You take an umbrella when it is sunny or rainy.
Rainy.
You wear boots when it's wet or dry.
Wet.
The flowers are blooming in which? Autumn or spring?
Spring.
Yeah. The leaves are falling in which season? Summer or autumn?
Autumn.
It's called fall season also, right?
Yes.
This is the sheet for plants. Okay. You have to answer according to the questions. Name any fruit with many seeds.
Watermelon.
Good job. Write it down. Spell and write.
W. A.
Very good.
E.
Yeah.
E.
Mm-hmm.
R. M. E. L. O. N.
Very good. Name any fruit with one seed.
Mango. M.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Yeah.
N. G. O.
Name two major parts of the plant.
Stem and root.
Yes.
S. T. E. M.
Stem.
R. O. T. S.
Good. Two vegetables that can be eaten raw.
Cucumber and carrot.
Mm-hmm.
C.
Yes.
U. M. B. E. R.
Good job.
C. A. R. O. T.
Carrot. Name a fruit with no seed.
Banana.
Very good.
A. N. A. N. A.
Good job. So the next worksheet is about cleanliness and the habits. Okay. Use the keywords and complete the sentences. We must follow good
Habits.
Yeah.
H A V I T S.
Eating fruits and vegetables keeps us
Healthy.
Yeah.
H E A L T H Y.
Dash is an important habit.
Cleanliness is an important habit.
Yeah, write it down.
C
Hmm.
L E N E A N
Yeah.
L
Hmm.
I N
Hmm.
E double S.
Good job. We must dash every day and wear clean clothes.
We must bath every day
Yeah.
and wear clean clothes.
Yeah. All waste must be put in a
Dustbin.
dustbin.
D U S T B I N.
Yeah. Dash makes us sick.
Germs make us sick.
Yeah.
GERMS.
Good job. Dash is necessary for good health.
Exercise is necessary for good health.
Yeah, to keep our body healthy and strong.
ERCISE.
Very good. So, this is the last sheet. Okay, this is for living and non-living things. Living things are the things which can grow, breathe, eat. Okay, and non-living things cannot do by their own. Okay, things can breathe.
Living.
Things do not eat.
Non-living.
Very good. Things can grow and change.
Living.
Plants, trees, and animals are.
Living.
Balls, bat, and clothes are.
Non-living.
Things can sense.
Living.
Very good. So you enjoyed these EVS worksheet?
Yeah!
Okay, very good. I hope you like this EVS revision worksheet. These worksheets are really good. You can practice at home on your daily basis practice worksheet. And if you want to download these worksheet, I will provide PDF link in description below so that you can download it. And for more such learning videos,
please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Advit.
See you
Thanks for
watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.